Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to talk about literal type in TypeScript. We're going to learn what it is. Let's dive right into it. So what is literal type? Literal type allows to specify an exact value that a variable can have. Let's say here we have error level variable. You can see here, if we over the error level variable, you can see TypeScript infers it to its value, medium or high. If we try to assign it another variable which is not high and medium, we are going to get here an error, to result in an error. This value here is not assignable to type medium or high. It means that we should assign medium or high to error level variable here. If we remove it and then we select high, the error disappears. We can even use this syntax here, the union type, within a type aliases. Say error level type, and then we can assign it a union type, and then we can type the error level variable. We can achieve the same thing, but also we can use the error type aliases within a function. Let's say here we have a function check error level status here, and then here we can pass here status. We're gonna say it is going to be a type of error level type. Then here, when we are going to make here a small condition, we are going to make a condition here. If we type, for example, status double equal, you'll see that they are suggesting us to select high or medium. This is an advantage to use union type here with literal. It is an advantage because they are suggesting us to select the value. If we don't pass here error level as a literal, they are not going to suggest us to select high or medium. This can give us, it can give us a chance to not making a bad choice. Then here we can run instruction within the condition. Let's call our check error method, and then here you can see that here they are suggesting us to select these two values here, high and medium. And if we come over up here and then we add another value, let's say medium, and let's add another value, critical. If we come back here, we try to select something, they're going to show us critical value. You can select critical, high or medium. And that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. We can use literal type when we want to assign a variable an exact value. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.